This video is sponsored by GlassesUSA.com. Yo, what is up guys? I just finished giving myself a taper fade. Made myself look really clean everything up. And I did this like in 20 minutes, so I'm not sure how good it looks, but it feels really clean and that's good. Now one thing that isn't clean is all this right here, so I'm about to clean this up. And then also I'm gonna take a shower, and then I'm actually gonna wash my, basically, they're not starter locks because they're, you know, mature because I crochet hooked them, but I'm actually gonna be washing these today, and they're kind of like in a weird little bun, kind of sticking up. Some are in the bun and some are sticking up, but I'm actually gonna shampoo these, and then I'm going to do like a light retwist, and I hope they turn out good. It's gonna be interesting showering right now because I've never like got dreadlocks and then showered the next day, so we'll see how this goes. We'll see if it maintains the frizz, because what I'm expecting is when I wash my hair is going to get curlier inside of the locks and get even tighter, so that there's not a bunch of straight frizz just hanging out. Like you see all this straight frizz, especially on the dreadlocks. It looks like I have straight hair dreadlocks just because of the frizz, but I'm assuming that washing the hair will curl up that frizz and make it tighter. Like I said, I'm going to clean up all this stuff right here, and then I'm going to shower and then get into the retwist. So I'm just going to start everything off by taking down my hair, and it was really cool to see my hair after taking it down for the first time, because this is literally a day after me starting my dreadlocks, and it's just such a good feeling to see my dreadlocks back and to see them even better than before. But starting off with soaking the hair completely, I want to make sure that my hair is completely saturated with water, and I know it's only been one day, but I really want to wash these really good so that my hair will go back to its curly nature and tighten up. That's what washing your hair does, so don't ever be afraid to wash your hair. But as you see right here, I'm doing a shampoo retwist. This is very important, especially during the beginning stages of your locks. And it's just always good to do when you have your locks, is do a shampoo retwist while you're washing your hair. Before I actually get into the retwist, I want to talk about today's sponsor, which is GlassesUSA.com. Now, by cutting out the middleman, GlassesUSA.com offers prescription glasses at up to 70% off retail prices. Now, you can shop for prescription eyewear online at affordable prices without leaving your home. Now, the frame selection is practically endless. It offers over 6,000 styles of eyeglasses and sunglasses, and that's including the in-house brands like Muse and Amelia E, and also designer brands like you see me wearing, like Ray-Ban or Oakley or Armani, and the list goes on and on. The thing I love about GlassesUSA.com is I can add my prescription on there, and I don't have to go to an eye doctor or have to even leave the house to get a new pair of glasses. And if you are skeptical and you want to try some on, there is a virtual mirror, so you can try on glasses on the website. All you have to do is upload a photo and you can try on any pair of glasses you would like. So with all the prices being up to 70% off retail price, all the frames and lenses start at only $30. And free basic prescription lenses are included with every frame. Now there is a great offer for your first pair when signing up at GlassesUSA.com. All you have to do is go to the link down below to get this great offer. And I'm telling you, I've shopped at multiple online eyewear stores and nobody doesn't like GlassesUSA.com. Now there's so much that GlassesUSA.com offers, like contact lenses, blue light glasses, and they even have a prescription scanner app or sports glasses, and even you can get gift cards for your friends. And everything is completely risk-free. If you don't like it, it's a 100% money-back guarantee. And they also have a 365-day product warranty. Now guys, these glasses right here were my all-time favorite out of the 4 that I got today. All of them were great, but these just really hit the nail on the head for me. These are the glasses I've been looking for a really long time, and GlassesUSA.com made it so easy to figure out what works for me. So with all that being said, please go check out GlassesUSA.com in the link down below. Okay guys, after I come out of the shower, I like to leave my hair like damp as possible, because my hair will dry out while I'm doing the retwisting process, but this is my hair completely wet. And yeah, it's real damp. My hair did get a lot of shrinkage from doing the crochet hooking, but I feel like my dreads are looking dope. Like, I'm super stoked. I think these look better than my first set of locks, honestly. And I think they're gonna look even better after this retwist. And obviously over time, because that frizz will just get maintained. But you guys, I am gonna be using the Jamaican Mango and Lime Locking Gel with the Resistant formula. And this is really great. I'll link this down below. This is my favorite formula, the Resistant, because it holds a whole lot better, and it's for harder to lock hair. I'm just gonna dab into this. The difference between this one and the original formula, this one is white The original is orange. So I'm gonna show you guys a trick that I do to where I don't even use any clips with doing like a quick retwist. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of the Jamaican Mango Lime locking gel. Start with this first one. This is actually the one that I interlocked all the way. Make sure that I'm just getting all the hair inside of this one. Make sure it's really nice and tight. After it's nice and tight, just hold it. And then go on to the next one. And then I just gotta find the next one to do. And it's literally just doing this over and over. And you're just handing off your dreadlocks. So after I'm done with this one's tight. I'm just gonna hand it off like that. I'm gonna hold it. Now I'm on to the next one. And I'm only taking a little bit of this stuff on my finger, as you guys can see right there. And one thing that I want to tell you guys, when you're doing a retwist, use the locking gel only at the root. Don't try to distribute it all the way up the hair, because it's not going to help you with frizziness. That's going to need to be helped with a crochet needle. So only focus on the roots, because this is for retwisting the roots and the new growth, not pulling in loose hair. And I just got 3 done right now. And then literally just keep on repeating this process all the way throughout your head. The goal is to make sure that your roots are nice and tight. And you can see how my roots are nice and tight right here. So that's the goal. You want to get it nice and tight and then pull it all aside. Now I got 4. But yeah, like I was saying, focus on the roots. This is what handles all the roots. Because everything regarding your tips of your dreadlocks, that's going to be handled over time. As your dreadlocks mature, they get tighter and tighter and tighter, and that's just how it goes. So you don't have to focus too much on that, because time will take its natural course and take care of that for you. But this is what I used to do with my first set of locks. Once I got out of the shower, I would literally just do this. And after my dreadlocks were really mature, I never even used product. I would just do a wet retwist. But it's literally just taking it one for one and holding them all in one hand as you go. Just keep moving forward. You want to evenly distribute the product throughout your root as well. You don't want it to be super clumpy. You don't want to overdo it. Don't use too much product, because too much product will result in buildup in the long run. So, like I said, just a little bit, just barely any. And it's a good thing with the resistant formula, because you can use just a little bit, because a little goes a long way with the resistant formula. And this is easy to do, especially if you have somewhere to go, like in the morning. Say you got school and you want to quickly retwist your hair. It's literally like, this should only take you like maybe 10 to 15 minutes. Obviously, depending on how many dreadlocks you have. I don't know how many I have, but I don't have that much. But even if you have a lot, like this should be able to go quick. Because you're not spending a whole bunch of time trying to focus on it, make sure it's perfect. I mean, it's going to turn out looking good regardless, as long as your roots are nice and tight. So you can see how I'm making them really nice and tight and thin at the root. Because when it turns out hard and tough, that's when you know it's a mature dreadlock. So I'm almost done with this side. You have to build up your endurance a little bit, honestly, because your shoulders can get pretty activated. But I mean, you're going to get used to it. If you have a set of dreadlocks, your shoulders are most likely going to be built up, because you're going to be doing so much to your hair, unless you have someone else do it. But I would encourage you all, like if you have dreadlocks, or if you have a certain hairstyle, like figure out how to do it yourself, because it makes it a whole lot easier, and you don't have to like worry about your hair looking, you know, not the way you want it to for a long amount of time, because you can just fix it with knowing how to do certain methods. And twisting with gel is so easy to do, guys. Especially this way, because I'm not using any clips. You guys will typically see people use clips, and that's great, but I'll show you what I do at the end of this that holds it all together. Because you can braid it, you can do two-strand twists to hold it all together, but I'll show you what I do, and it works perfectly. And with the sections that I made, like it's so easy to do a retwist on this, because I don't have to worry about dreadlocks being in the wrong section and stuff like that, because they're already sectioned out very well. Whew. Taking a quick break. Okay, back at it. But I did mention not to go all the way up the dreadlock, or at least don't go all the way up it expecting that it's going to pull in all that loose hair, because I feel like that's a misconception that I had on my first set of locks, that locking gel is going to pull in frizz. It doesn't pull and frizz. This is what maintains your new growth in order for that to bud up and then lock up. But you guys, as you see, I finished this side of my head, halfway done. I'm gonna knock out the rest of this, and then I'll show you guys what I do to keep it all in. Okay guys, I just have 2 more left. I'm just going to knock these out. And you're probably wondering why I'm going all the way down to the tip to twist it. Just because it's easier to get a handle of it and go all the way down to the root. You know what I mean? Like if I twist it from the tip, it will tighten down at the root. And I'm explaining that because I'm not going all the way down to the tip to, you know, bring the product all the way down to the tip. It's just to twist the dreadlock. Alright guys, last one. This is really awkward. This is like the furthest one away. So I have to like literally cross my hands. So guys, once you're at this point, you're ready to go. And I'll show you how I hold everything in. Literally just use a hair tie, guys. It's so easy. Just, you know, tighten it as tight as you gotta do it. And that's all I'm doing is using a hair tie. And guys, just like that, it's so easy to do a retwist on your hair without using any clips. You're just using, you know, water and some locking gel and holding it with your hand and then just tying it up with anything you like. I prefer a hair tie. Now, if you guys do want to watch the video of me giving myself instant dreadlocks, make sure to click the link down below. But I literally gave myself dreadlocks in 1 day. It only took about 5 hours. So you guys can go watch that video. I think it'll help a whole bunch of you guys out. Also, I wanted to mention that these are probably my overall favorite glasses. I love the color gray. Like, I don't know if you guys noticed, like all I wear is gray. And obviously, like I wear black sometimes, but I've never had a gray pair of glasses. And of course, all the other glasses that I got from glassesusa.com are awesome and amazing. But I would recommend all you guys to go and click the links down below. Get yourself a pair of glasses like mine. And I know for me, when I choose a pair of glasses, I try to figure out what is the most iconic glasses that'll work for me. And I feel like this was stepping out of my comfort zone and I wanted to try some new things. But guys, please, like I said, go check out glassesusa.com. But other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Hopefully you guys do an amazing day. Matter of fact, have a great day. Peace out and God bless.